What's the meaning of chairmanship? Chairmanship. Chairmanship.
Chairmanship. Chairmanship. The term chairmanship refers to the position of a person who is in charge of leading and directing a meeting, conference, or committee. The chairman typically sets the agenda, facilitates discussions, and ensures that decisions are made in an orderly and efficient manner. Effective chairmanship is essential for achieving the goals of a group, as it helps to keep discussions on track and encourages participation from all members. A skilled chairman can help to foster collaboration, build consensus, and ultimately drive positive results for the organization or group being led.